All right, so in this episode, we're looking at interaction of light with different mirrors. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to investigate the interaction of light with mirrors, investigate some effects of reflection in everyday life, and complete at least 4 of the activities at the 8 learning centers. Let's pay attention to this content. As light travels in a straight line along its path, it comes in contact with different surfaces, which cause it to behave in different ways. These surfaces may be rough and dull or shiny, smooth and shiny. An opaque object that is shiny and smooth has a reflective surface because it allows light to bounce off and appears sharp and clear. So the image is sharp and clear. Mirrors have reflective surfaces and are placed into 2 main groups. 2 examples are the concave and the convex mirror. One and the ones with curved surfaces are called spherical mirrors. The ones, in contrast, with flat surfaces are called plane mirrors. Now, figure 1 shows the types of mirrors, the sizes of the image, and the position of the image. So here we have the mirror, if it's plane, if it's concave or convex. All right, let's look at this. Here we have the size and the position. So a plane mirror, the size does not change and the image is upright. So if you look in the bathroom, for example, the size doesn't change and you are upright. That's a plane mirror. Concave, the mirror causes the size of the image to be larger and the thing appears upside down. So that's like when you look at the inside of a spoon. Shiny spoon. Convex mirrors now, the image appears smaller. That's the back of the spoon, but it appears right side up or right way up. See, figure 2 shows examples of mirrors with reflective surfaces that are used in our everyday life. Convex mirrors, blind corner mirrors that help drivers view around the corner, and rear view mirrors help drivers to view behind the vehicle without turning their heads. Concave mirrors now allow dentists to see hidden cavities in the tooth. Oh, so when you go to the dentist and they have that little uh, stick, that little shiny thing with a mirror at the end of it, and you can put it and see. Use as a makeup mirror, use as a shaving mirror. All right, great. No, it says here, I'm missing something. Okay, yes. Let's go. Engage. Group 1, activity. Materials we're going to need: flashlight, aluminum foil, paper towel roll, aluminum foil roll, paper towel roll, or toilet paper roll, some smooth and shiny mirror. Step 1, darken the room. 2, work in groups of 3. Now, student 1 holds a mirror at the back of the room. Then, step 3, student 2 holding a flashlight stands before the mirror. Now, move to the right of the mirror while student 3 stands to the left of the same mirror. Shine the flashlight, step 4, through either the toilet paper roll or paper towel roll or aluminum foil roll onto the mirror being held by student 1. Now, record your observations. As scientists, we need to keep a record, a good record. Did you see the beam of light? What happened to the beam of light as it hit the mirror? Did the beam of light change direction? Where did the beam of light go? Did you see a patch of light on student 3? If you did not observe the beam of light, continue to move it around until the beam of light reflects from the mirror to student 3, who is standing on the opposite side. This would be lovely for us to do. Now, access the internet, then download and view videos on types of mirrors and how they are used in everyday life. So we use them for shaving, we use them for putting on makeup, we use them for seeing ourselves in the bathroom. Drivers use them for help. Police use them for periscopes and seeing around corners to keep themselves safe and so on. Explain. So here we have complete figure 3 by writing two examples of curved and a flat mirror beside each number. So we have mirrors and mirrors. This is our diagram here, some graphic organizer that helps us to remember the concept. So the idea of a mirror here is at the top. We know that we have two types. They can be curved or they can be flat. And the flat one is like the one that you have in the bathroom, generally speaking. And curved mirrors can either be concave or convex. Now, it says activity 2. Extend. We're going to need materials. Plain mirror, cut out letters of the alphabet. Now, place each letter before the mirror. Discuss what you observe and make an inference based on what you observe. Now, evaluate. It says complete at least 4 of the following activities at the learning centers. From the Faye Ellington Center, the word link, make a brochure on mirrors that are used in everyday life. Group them as plane, concave, and convex. The self-link from the Dr. Agri Irons Center, make a journal entry stating your opinion on the use of mirrors in our everyday lives. NatureLink, the Dan Macaulay Center, explain how light interacts as it comes into contact with surfaces, of a dental mirror while the dentist uses it to examine the teeth of his patient. PictureLink, Edna Manley Center, download images of mirrors that are used in everyday life. Now create a carousel of these images. NumberLink, Albert Einstein Center, explain the type of angle formed when the beam of light reflected from the surface in activity 1. Let's read that again. Explain the type of angle formed when the beam of light reflected from the surface in activity 1. Interesting. We have done something like this in class already. Social Link at Mary Sequel Center, participate in a class blog by contributing to the discussion on the interaction of light with reflective surfaces. So in this episode, we were reviewing the interaction of light with different mirrors and different types of mirrors. Now go ahead, do the activities and post them in the classroom.